Michael Knowles here. The book this month is Pride and Prejudice on the book club. This is a book that I read once and I didn't like it. Read it again, I didn't like it. Then years later, my guest Abigail Shrier made me read it a third time and I loved it. Why is that?
Because this is a book for a mature man.
You flatter me.
Truth. No, it's the truth. It is the truth. This is a portal into a woman's heart and mind. This is a beautiful exploration of the female psyche.
If that is not enough, a portal into the female mind and desire and psyche, if that's not enough to get you to watch it, I don't know what is. We'll see you at the book club. PragerU is a 501c3 nonprofit organization, so we rely on donations from viewers like you to keep this content on the air. Please consider making a tax-deductible contribution today to help keep this content coming. Thank you very much.